Chipa A.L. Hack is a very good friend of mine. We have worked together for a long, long time. He was in
Dr. Mukul Sangma away ni kinongilam jonga seng san perthai ka All India Trinamool Congress hakash pauteri ujimang arajar arpulai ula kentat ya kejengkam jong MLA ka BJP uba AL Hek baki MLA ka TMC kenet penyeso no bat ka BJP. Haba Kren kilat pathai kubor Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong bolai I haki kendiat sngi ya kejingmi kubor hakilat pathai kubor bat haduk menta kidang don gibat ho halor kani. Ula ben rap da kabaong, ngamla ban khang yipi ban tho ikini ki khubor bat kan bha shushu lada phi yos ngau na kashintur jong kitrai katakan bha shushu. Kini ki khubor ki la ban don ka jinge deiru bat ka election ha soyong ban yalam baklai ki pat ba ula ong. Ula ban rap da kabaong baka TMC ru ka kwa baki we ki MLA kin wan ban penyeso no bat ka seng. Nga khot ye kiwe ki seng san perthai ban wan penyeso no bat ngi ka jela ka don kam ye ka jinge teli jong baro ki seng san hima. Ngala presyang ye kani haran kat bagi nongelam ka seng da ka baya Kren ru ye kiwe ki nongelam jong kiwe ki seng san hima hadin jong ka election ula ong.
Chipa A.L. Hack is a very good friend of mine. We have worked together for a long, long time. He was in Congress while we were in Congress. He was in the Council of Ministers when I was the CM. So you have seen this long association. And the good thing is that he wanted to meet me on the 3rd. On the 3rd. That means second was the result, no? On the 3rd of March morning, we had tea. And we congratulated each other. But he was in a hurry to go to his meeting. But he told me one thing. He said that he was not happy with the outcome of the whole election results, obviously, because I think BJP also went hammer and tong to see that they win as many seats as available. But his concern was pertaining to whether we allow the continuation of this government. So only one thing he said, please do anything to see that this same regime does not come again. Then we said, we are doing it precisely. And then that you saw as a sequel to that. On the 3rd, we tried to come together. It's a different thing that we could not give fruition to our whole collective effort. Because as I have said, the overall development that you saw after all these members of different political parties converged to one particular place, committing to that agenda of giving an alternative, viable, pro-people, the most wanted alternative government to the people. That's the time when I met. But he didn't say that I should join BJP nor anything. He only said that please do something to see that this government doesn't come back. Yes, we all agree. Even now I say that this government should go. In fact, even now, all these political parties. But the thing is that you are seeing the desperate attempt of the people who are in the present dispensation, in authority, desperately trying to remain in power. Why do I say this? You have seen recently merger of two members belonging to one regional parties. What does it indicate? You have to be analytical and find out the background. What are those factors which have compelled these two MLAs to ultimately decide to merge with this NPP? So I think you have all the answers. The answer is that the present dispensation who are in the government are desperately trying to ensure that they remain in power because they have reasons to be worried if they are not in power. Now you have to draw your own conclusion.